12th Bengaluru India Nano is a unique event in the country. The event highlights include conference, exhibition, Bengaluru India Nano Innovation Award, Nano Excellence Award, Nano Sparks Startup Pitching, Nano for the Young, Foster Session, tutorials, the first ever Nano Tech Quiz and B2B partnering. A high quality scientific program is loaded with for plenary talks and session with nanotechnology application in various sectors like medicine, manufacturing, electronics, hydrogen, economy, food and agriculture, textile, photonics, and an independent industry talks. There is also an exhibition showcasing nanotech products, services and innovation, and various awards and special programs to recognize and applaud the contribution made by the individuals and organizations in the space of nanotechnology. One of the significant features of this event is tutorials which happen on the last day. This time there are 4 tutorials with focus on nano fabrication, bottom-up synthesis, characterization tools and nanobiology. I invite all of you to be a part of this flagship event by registering for free, because if you miss it now, then you will have to wait for 2 more years.